Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a private server on still a Brainrot game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up your Roblox application and then you can go to the still a Brainrot game and then you can click on this menu and then you can select create private server. Okay, and you can create your own private server. Unfortunately, it's not free. You need to have Robux to buy private server. But don't worry guys, because you can still join the others private server. Okay, you will need 79 Robux to create private server. And if you don't have Robux, you can join the other private server. I'm going to click on exclude full server and then you can join the other's private server here. You just need to click on join and you will be in a private server on still a Brainrot game. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get private server on still a Brainrot game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!